I'm here with the Sherae First Aid campaign, and today we want to teach you how to door knock your block. Door knock your block. This is a historical race for Sherae breaking records against that 25-year incumbent on the primary. Overall, folks hear about Sherae and they are so down. All they need is to hear about Sherae. That's where you come in. To get every door in the 43rd LD, we need the message for Sherae First Aid to activate, so we can get out the vote at every door before election day. So here's how you can door knock your block and beyond today.
Go to SheraeForState.com and click on the Activate page. There you see a list with a ton of things that we would also love for you to do, like support events or donate. But for our purposes here, click on Door Knock Your Block. Fill out the form and one of our volunteer coordinators will let you know where the nearest hub is to pick up supplies. This will include a map, a box or bag full of Sherae First State packs to door knock or door drop. People might not answer the door. A hand sanitizer or mask so you can be super COVID safe. A script with safety reminders and useful tips and language for door knocking and talking about Sherae.
We are dropping first and foremost a postcard with Sherae's face, their platform, and an invitation to chat with Sherae. Once you get your map, packs, hand sanitizer, and mask, we ask you to text the number you will be provided with and let them know which map you check out. We are asking folks to finish their map within 2 days. If something happens and you realize you can't door knock or drop Sherae's First Aid packs after all, no problem. Just text the same number and you can drop it back off. What to do next? Look over the script so that you have an idea of what to say. Something like, "Hi, I'm Emily and I'm a volunteer for Sherae First Aid. How are you today? Are you registered to vote?" From there, the script will walk you through options for Sherae hot topics to discuss so that voters can learn more about the campaign in a manner that best suits their interests. You definitely don't have to stick strictly to the script. It's a guide. Find what works for you. The guide also has a bunch of details regarding the platform, just so you can reference it if people ask. No need to memorize or share all of them. Pick a few points that you like to share that you can have at the peak of your brain.
You will usually find people that are either very enthusiastic, haven't heard much about Sherae but are curious, or don't want anything to do with you. And hey, I get it. I'm a shut-in. If they are super enthusiastic, celebrate with them. Ask if they're interested in volunteering or if they can donate. Also remember to take a note. We might need to know where our supporters are once we need to chase down ballots.
Refer them to the website for all of the above, SheraeForState.com. If they are curious, ask what they are needing from their elected officials.
This is a good time to reference the platform to share what Sherae thinks about that issue. These are our converts. Treat them with care and share the Sherae First State dream with them. Once in a while, you will get someone who is not happy to see you.
If that is the case, you can just leave the pack at the door. Say, "I'm just leaving a care pack from Sherae First Aid," and an invitation to reach out if there's anything that they would like to share with the campaign. Thank them, wish them well, and be on your way.
There will be highs and lows. Just remember, it's all part of the dream. And even folks who don't seem happy to see you might enjoy getting their care pack. And once they see the significance of the Sherae First State dream, they might just become supporters and vote for Sherae. You may never know.
Safety, safety, safety. Wear layers and bring water and a snack. Put your packs in your backpack. Hand sanitizer, use that often. Mask, and you are ready to go. Please don't go out if you feel ill at all.
Please drop the pack, knock, then step 6 feet back.
Way back. We don't need to get close to folks to connect.
If they seem like they really want to talk, and we've seen a lot of folks seem like they really do, so social isolation is a thing and it sucks. Definitely go through with the chat. But if they seem stressed or upset, you can let them know that you left the care pack for them by the door from the campaign, and that if they want to connect, Sherae is inviting folks for digital chats about the issues that are important to them.
Other important information. Do not put anything in anyone's mailbox.
It's like a federal offense. Yeah, don't do it. Remember your mask and sani.
Safety, safety, safety.
Do consider going out with a friend.
We don't want anyone to do anything that they don't feel comfortable with.
This is all at your own risk. We will add, though, we had dozens of folks going out so far with largely positive experiences.
Feel free to skip any large barking dogs or take a pic with them through the fence. Dogs for Sherae! We cannot take donations without very specific information, so don't. If someone tries to hand you cash, just direct them to the donate button on the website. You can even walk them through the website, but no money taking.
Once you're done, text a picture of your map back to the contact person with notes and arrange to get the extra supplies back to other folks.
Alternatively, if you need more supplies or want to keep going, yes, you can text your map back as complete with your notes regarding supported house and get another map and more supplies. This is a great way to support the movement. Those are the basics. Feel free to text or call for support. We are so happy to share the Sherae First Aid dream with you. Please let us know if you have any questions and take pics. Tag us too on Insta and Twitter. Grab some posters and stickers to put up while you go. And thanks.
Thanks.